Want to talk about the past in English? Today we'll learn regular verbs, irregular verbs, and how to use them.
I cleaned my room yesterday. I didn't clean my room yesterday. Did I clean my room yesterday?
She played football last night. She didn't play football last night. Did she play football last night?
Regular verbs in the past simple are easy. We make them by adding ed to the verb. Here are some examples. If the verb ends in "e", we add "d", for example. Live becomes lived. If it ends in consonant plus y, we change y to I and add ed. For example, study becomes studied. If it ends in short vowel plus consonant, we double the consonant. For example, stop becomes stopped.
He slept late. He didn't sleep late. Did he sleep late?
We saw a beautiful movie. We didn't see a beautiful movie. Did we see a beautiful movie?
Irregular verbs do not follow the ed rule. Their past forms change, so you must memorize them. Here are some examples.
Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.